This is the Dollemore Daily, and I'm Jesse Dollemore. Well, gone are the days of a genuinely noble and policy-focused presidency. Another day and yet another piece of catastrophic legal news for the Donald Trump White House. This latest nightmare revelation is again related to the things Donald Trump told the Russians during their May 10th meeting in the Oval Office. Except this time, Donald Trump only solidifies the calls for his impeachment by bolstering the many claims that he has actively and directly obstructed justice. According to a source, reading from an official White House account of the meeting, Donald Trump is on record as having said, quote, "I just fired the head of the FBI. He was crazy, a real nut job. I faced great pressure because of Russia. That's taken off. I'm not under investigation." Unquote. Donald Trump made these statements to the Russian Foreign Minister, Sergei Lavrov, and Russian Ambassador to the United States, Sergei Kislyak, who is universally recognized by U.S. intelligence as a recruiter for Russian spies and other intelligence assets. So in the same conversation that Donald Trump opened his flapping gums and possibly outed an undercover operative within the ranks of ISIS, he also stupidly and characteristically bragged about getting rid of James Comey, reinforcing the widely held notion that he was fired because of the FBI's investigation related to collusion between his campaign and the Russians. Further, this only strengthens the case for obstruction of justice, since Donald Trump gave the Russian investigation as a reason for firing Comey during a televised interview with Lester Holt. And if you're asleep and all of that isn't enough to convince you, when given a chance to deny all of this, Sean Spicer did not dispute the account. One of two things is the case here. Either Donald Trump is the stupidest man to ever hold the office of President of the United States, or he is complicit in the criminal act of attempting to obstruct justice by inappropriately influencing federal agents to stop an active federal investigation. Look, I know the Department of Justice just appointed former FBI Director Bob Mueller as a special counsel to head an independent investigation into these matters. But the evidence is piling up and clear. Congress needs to act, move forward in drawing up articles of impeachment. Let's put this national nightmare to an end and move forward with the country's important business. Hey everybody, thank you so much for checking out my channel and this video. If you like what I do here and you appreciate it, go ahead and click subscribe. And if you really like it and appreciate what I do and you'd like to join my Patreon family, there's another link there for that. It's not just for the podcast, it's also for YouTube. Thanks a lot.